This them broke, you know, but you still have to try it. Can't come so far and not try this. It broke a little piece here, and then that piece here still can't work. Still can't work. So I brought my fins, snorkeling mask. Heading out there. Got the boat right there. Corner right here. This out here is very lovely. I should say, you know, very nice. How does it feel? You know, you come out here all the way.
Oh, gosh, I can't believe I did that actually. I'm not going to say how the experience is until we reach in safe.
Alright, I'm going to go back all the way to this one.
By hoping that it wasn't a picture.
Yeah, so it goes I just want them to know. So this is just GoPro live, isn't me? Okay, go on the boat. The water is nice and clear. By the time we're fucking well tired.
Hello, you ready?
Yeah. Hope somebody can untie this too.
Oh my god.
Drop. Alright, free to go.
Kayak.
I'm good now, man.
You're good.
Yeah.
You're in one piece.
Right. Go back all the way to this one.
You sure we are right now? Alright guys, so
hey.
we're almost there. The house is right there. I'm pointing. We've come a long way.
Yeah, I'm at the boat on steady.
Hello.
Alright.
How do you feel?
Tired. Well, yeah, it's a seat, yeah. Well, I wash off in the bathroom, yeah. You see, wash off the salt water. And then, stick like I'm going to the pool. I'm going to the pool. You see me? Over there's the jacuzzi. But the jacuzzi and the pool are the same temperature. So I shall be enjoying the rest of the afternoon making content. Yeah, pool gets warm. It's always warm.